Portia de Rossi is an Australian-American model, philanthropist and actress. She is best known for starring as Nell Porter on the American drama series Ally McBeal, for which she won a Screen Actors Guild Award, as Lindsay Blood Funky on the American television sitcom Arrested Development, and as Elizabeth North on the American political thriller series Scandal. She also portrayed Olivia Lord on the American television drama series Nip or Tuck and Veronica Palmer on the American television sitcom Better Off Dead. De Rossi is married to comedian, actress and television host Ellen DeGeneres. Portia de Rossi, born Amanda Lee Rogers in Horsham, Victoria, Australia, is the daughter of Margaret, a medical receptionist, and Barry Rogers. Her father died when she was 9 years old. She grew up in Grovedale, a suburb of Geelong, Victoria, and modelled for print and TV commercials as a child. In 1988, at age 15, Rogers adopted the name Portia de Rossi, by which she remains best known. In 2005, she explains she had intended to reinvent herself using the given name of Portia, a character from William Shakespeare's The Merchant of Venice, and an Italian last name. She was educated at Geelong Grammar School at the University of Melbourne, where she studied law. De Rossi's first significant role was as a young and impressionable model in the Australian 1994 film Sheerans. De Rossi garnered international attention when she joined the main cast of Ally McBeal in 1998, playing lawyer Nell Porter. She remained with The Snow until its end in 2002. In 2005, De Rossi portrayed Jella, a fortune teller, in the Wes Craven thriller Cursed. From 2007 to 2008, De Rossi appeared in Nip or Tuck's 5th season as Julia McNamar's girlfriend Olivia Lord. In 2009 and 2010, De Rossi played the high-strung and controlling Veronica Palmer on the ABC show Better Off Dead. In May of 2007, she was featured as one of 100 Most Beautiful in a People Special Edition. TV Guide included her and Ellen DeGeneres in their Power Unleashed couples in 2007. In February 2012, it was announced that ABC had ordered a pilot for a new drama series, The Smart One, one of whose executive producers was listed as Ellen DeGeneres and which featured De Rossi in a leading role. De Rossi was married to documentary filmmaker Mel Metcalfe from 1996 to 1999, initially part of a plan to get a green card, though she did not go through with the plan. In 2010, De Rossi published her autobiography titled Unbearable Lightness, a story of loss and gain, within which she wrote about the turmoil that she had experienced in her life, including suffering from anorexia nervosa and bulimia and being misdiagnosed with lupus. DeGeneres and De Rossi both became vegans in 2008. Though DeGeneres stated that she is no longer vegan, they have adopted several rescue animals.